Hi everyone, this is Mr. Al again. I think we are in the second session. The first one we already learned about how to draw the anime comic, and then this time I want you to check this video, and after you check the videos and then you listen up very carefully the instruction, I will let you know how to do it to fulfill that kind of order. Are you ready now? Alright, check this video first.
Hello, my name is Hans. I am opening a coffee shop in downtown Singapore. It's a very cool, very funky area. Lots of cool people will come to my coffee shop. They will sit and talk for hours. What I'm looking for is your help. I need your help designing some paintings for my coffee shop. Now remember, they have to be cool and funky. I want the paintings to be on a big canvas. You can choose the size, but I want it bright in color or some kind of color that impresses my client's eyes. You should use at least 3 to 10 colors. I like abstract styles and I like flower shapes. So you use your imagination to make a masterpiece for my beautiful clients to look at and admire. Show your mastery. Good luck.
So basically, Mr. Hans from Singapore, he wants to decorate his cafe with a nice painting. And if you notice at the end of the video, Mr. Hans mentioned that he needs your help to propose your painting and then to help him to decorate the room with the abstract, funky and cool painting in the big canvas, of course. But this time Mr. Hans actually called me that he need all of your help to propose him first the draft. Okay, I hope you understand now. So I need to give you some time to work with it. I give you 20 minutes since now, and then after that I hope you can submit your work, and then I will let you know later on what do we need to do. Alright, enjoy your time and draw your own anime comic and submit me your best artwork. Thank you. The draft. What is the meaning of the draft? Here I will let you know. First of thing, you have to prepare this kind of tools. Okay, the first one is prepare the A3 drawing paper, and then the second one you prepare the Giotto watercolor, because this time we're going to color it, the draft, the design or the prototype with the acrylic, watercolor painting. The second one you prepare your own brush and the water, and then the third one you have to prepare your camera. You can just grab your mommy's phone or somebody else's phone, but not your neighbor phones. Yeah, maybe later they will call the police and you will get in jail later on. So I'm just kidding. Okay, after that you have to take a picture of your draft of your painting and then send it to me through Google Classroom. I think you already know how to do it, right? Alright then, good luck for you, and remember, if you can fulfill the instruction of Mr. Hans, I think that you have a chance to be the first person who can work collaboratively with Mr. Hans to decorate his cafe. And you know what? When you decorate the cafe, you will earn a lot of money. You wanna get rich, right? Same like me also. Alright then, I will repeat it again. I will remind you again. The first thing that you have to know is, after you check the video from Mr. Hans, you need to work with these several items. The first one, you prepare the A3 drawing book A3 size of drawing book or drawing paper. The second one, you prepare your Giotto. No need acrylic. We will color your painting using watercolor. And the third one will be prepare your brush, your water, and the last one, after you're done with everything, please take a picture. You can create one or two or three draft, one or two or three design, and send your picture to me through Google Classroom. You understand? I hope you guys all understand. So I give you 20 minutes to work with it, and don't forget 10 minutes after that you can use to submit your picture through Google Drive. I'm waiting for your best artwork, and good luck.